In this video, we're going to talk about the chaos parameter, and with the chaos parameter, this essentially just influences what sort of variations we get with our output. So this is an example where we have a watermelon owl hybrid, and it's just some examples of Midjourney's generation of that. And then I come down here and add some chaos to it. So if I add 50 chaos, then you can see it gets like just more interesting, more or less. I guess just chaos means that it could go anywhere, right? So you see this is kind of like a digital art. So just gives you a lot of different options, whereas the first one, it was very much stuck to a certain style. You see this is kind of like a tattoo. So we're just going to craft a couple different prompts to just illustrate how you use this prompt. So I'm just going to say chaos, it's just 0 through 100, and we'll just test it out with a couple different concepts. So to follow the spirit of the example they had in the documentation, I'm going to do a flying hamburger with chaos 10, and then I'm going to do a flying hamburger with chaos 50, and then a flying hamburger with chaos 100. And so we'll see what that does. So I'm also going to add version 5. So I'm going to do version 5. And then I'm going to do version 5, chaos 50. And then version 5, chaos 10. I'm interested to see the difference here. I'll show you the results here in a second. So to look at some of the outputs here, we've got a flying hamburger at chaos 50 on just version 4. So, okay. And then we got a flying hamburger at chaos 100 at version 4. So I think that the chaos part definitely came through in the style on this, and whatever this is definitely super wild. Let's look at now a flying hamburger on chaos 100 version 5, definitely all over the place. This one, I don't know what's going on with that. There's some like weird lightning here. This is like a chicken sandwich. This one, it just has like a graphic. So the styles are all over the place. Now this is version 5, chaos 50. And you see it's flying in a like, what do you call it? Hot air balloon. And this is like an old one over like an old picture of like a metropolitan area. This is like the second coming of hamburger. This is like a hamburger UFO, pretty crazy. And here's version 5, chaos 10, which is nothing special. It's got a couple of different like animated graphics. We got another hot air balloon type thing. So let's see if we can go back up here. I think we had one that we missed. I was just looking for a standard V4 with chaos 10. Oh yeah, that's this one. So chaos 10 on V4 is nothing crazy. There's like a fish built into this one, an airplane sticking out of it. Nothing too crazy. A little bit more of that like older Midjourney style. But yeah, this kind of just shows you the introduction of chaos. Like you throw chaos into a prompt, and it just adds more variation to where your prompt can go. Now, we had pretty much no ability to like decide what styles like we wanted outside of the prompt. We would just have to type those all out. If you add chaos, it can just give you it rolls the dice on what sort of styles you get in your prompt. So it adds that element to your prompt to create these different possible outputs. So if I spin this again, I'll spin this one. It's like the chaos 50 and the chaos 100. If I spin these again, you'll actually see the outputs whenever they come through in just a second. You'll see those ones be just as varied in the different styles that they produce, because the chaos parameter is still present inside of the prompt. So you see here with the respin, we've got like a realistic one, some graphic styles. Chaos 50, we got like this crazy thing. I don't even know what's in here. It looks like beef jerky. And then over here, we've got like, he's flying, but it's like a hamburger man. This is like a hamburger UFO. So I'm going to take like these two, and I'm going to upscale those so that I can have some of the more chaotic ones for later. But yeah, I hope that this was helpful to understand the chaos prompt and to, you know, just understand how to throw it into your Midjourney prompts here. So hope this video was helpful. I'll see you in the next one.